Tommy, let's go ahead and talk about workers' compensation while we're waiting on these phone calls to come in. We were talking during the break. You know, it seems like a long process. If you get hurt on the job, people don't really know what to do or what the proper steps are. So what should you do if you find yourself in a situation to where you get hurt on the job?
Workers' comp is an unusual thing for law in general because it requires no fault to recover. If you're injured on the job, regardless of fault, whether it's your fault, you tripped on your own shoelace, or the employer dropped a boom mic on your head, which they did here one time, then you're covered. And it's a state law, and your employer has to have coverage. You have 3 benefits under workers' comp. First, you're entitled to 100% of your medical bills while you're out of work on doctor's orders, and that's forever, whether your treatment goes on a week or it goes on 10 years. Second, you're entitled to 2/3 of your average weekly wage, subject to a cap, but not subject to federal or state taxes. And third, if you suffer a permanent injury, whether it's a 2% impairment or 5% or 7 or 12 or 20 or 100%, you're entitled to additional benefits for permanent partial disability. You're also entitled to some rehab benefits. So not many people know their rights under workers' comp. We've handled workers' comp since I promised my daddy when I left home from Gadsden that I would always represent the working people because he worked in a factory. And we're proud of what we do in that realm, and we've had good success.
All right, and there's never a question that you should be afraid to ask. Always ask. If you don't know, you can call our friends over there, Tommy, and then the rest of the folks over there at Senior Timberlake and League, to get your questions asked.